Hey everyone, this is our Wicked Witch Laugh Sounds car horn. This is our button version horn. It comes with a button which is included. Quick and easy installation. Your black wire coming from your horn to go to a ground somewhere. It could be your battery or just anywhere you got a good ground source. Then your red wire coming from your horn to go to a 12 volt power source. It could be your battery, your fuse, just anywhere you got a good 12 volt power source. Then your yellow wire coming from your horn to go to one side of the button, which is included. And then you just simply run another 12 volt wire to the other side of the button and you're good to go. So this is our Wicked Witch Laugh Sounds car horn.